ready in case it...
And in every election, people debate, and from what I understand, you haven't even replied to their requests.
Well, I'm going to talk to Mr. Robinson after the meeting today. I'm here invited guest to an event here, and I will meet with Mr. Robinson and talk about it.
To debate?
I don't know yet. Depends on the circumstance.
You're too insulated?
No. I'm here, all right?
But you're not talking to people.
Well, we're trying to have an event without this interference.
How about the public?
Okay. I told Ted to mention.
There's the strategic stop, wasn't it? I thought when you went to camp or something you might have. No, it wasn't. Ian Jeffrey. Thank you very much.
See, I know they need to be closed for this, the rest of these guys.
On the path that so many of you have been pursuing. But it is only a marker. The vision is not complete until these buildings are filled with people. People from all generations, children and adults, engaged in learning about traditional and contemporary maritime life, all in a way that is sustainable into the future and adds to this special place.
Majority Whip, and it is my pleasure to introduce Kevin Vandeweghe.
Thank you. Thank you for that wonderful introduction. You know, the greatest thing I like about representing this area is the beauty that we have here, this wonderful coastline.
As rich as the history and heritage it embodies. Thank you for coming, and please accept my best wishes for a memorable celebration. Sincerely, Chris Gregoire, our governor. And just so you know, Chris has been here, and she's tromped all over this area to see what we're doing and to see our current facilities. And really, it will be here for this ribbon cutting. I guarantee you she will be here. Thank you very much.
But I'll forgive you. I would like to.
And, you know, one thing that I want to do is to remind you of the Constitution of the United States, that Congress has the power of the purse. And there are some people who are trying to give that authority away.
Award that we have for you.
Well, I'm not interested in your award, ma'am. Okay.
We're interested in your war, sir. We won your funding time and again. Where war crimes are committed.
I've got came here myself.
You got more important things to do, like ribbon cutting.
We called it the supreme war crime, preemptive war.
You're wanted for international war crimes.
Looking for you over here.
Okay, guys,
We're looking for him too.
Thanks very much. We'll come into this. Yeah.
Funding a war that is wrong.
You accomplished the war crimes, Norm.
Got blood on your hands. Warrant out for you soon, sir.
I sent faxes to all 4 offices.
yeah, it's in the book.
Excuse me, Paul. Thanks.
Just, is there someone I can...
I've debated in every campaign in the general election. And listen, you haven't filed your papers. Now, I'm going to hold you accountable and publicly for not having filed your public disclosure reports. You want to come up here and make a big to-do, and you haven't even filed your papers as a candidate. So you go file your papers, then you call me. Okay? Fair enough. And you're illegal in what you're doing if you don't file. Okay? You're going to be a congressman, you're going to have to obey the law.
You could obey the law too and uphold the Constitution.
Just everybody get out of the way.
You took an oath to uphold the Constitution. That
Yeah,
is
I did. I
obeying
do
the law.
every day, ma'am.
You know what? There are all these things that you have done that are not upholding the Constitution, sir.
I'm for
You are
bringing the
taking
troops
away
home.
our
And
rights.
I'm supporting Obama.
You are
and
you know what
supporting
you're
his
doing?
efforts to bring the troops home.
You're not listening.
Just get out of
You
the
are
way.
supporting the troops dying.
You haven't filed your public disclosure reports.